Okay, we got the cap bank hooked up to the DC rectifier. It's very easy to charge. I'm not sure if it's the increased capacitance, but there's almost no no back EMF felt when charging the cap. Because of the large capacitance, it takes more than a few turns to get it up to about 50 volts. But so at 45 volts, and if I discharge it on the negative side through a 100-watt light bulb, there's no sparks at the contact. So it charges it down to so very easy to charge the cap bank. These are just regular capacitors, real large ones. I'm not sure if I might have misquoted on the values, but I know they're 350 volts. It might be they're all connected in parallel. It might be individual values of maybe it's 3300, 33,000, I don't know. Anyways, you can experiment with that, but this seems to be moving in the right direction. So 50 volts, discharge it on the negative terminal. There's no spark, and we'll have to see how it there's a slight you feel a slight resistance when you start to charge the cap, and back up to 50 volts after a few turns, and when we discharge it, no spark, and it discharges without any problems. So looks like the bigger capacitors are the way to go, and the earlier caps, see, I'm not sure if it was a switch problem. I know I had it connected properly, and it's clearly marked one positive terminal. So either the caps were bad to begin with, or we had switch failure, or the switch failure allowed the increase, the voltage charge to exceed the 400 volt limit, possibly. There's a number of reasons why it didn't work, but the new capacitors are working well, and they're very easy to charge up, and we'll have to see how it reacts with with the super cap bank. So things are looking positive. We'll probably go with some sort of mechanical contact switch on the ground side. Have it discharge every, like maybe a 1:10 ratio or 1:6. I don't know. Let's see here. Anyways, it's very easy to charge this capacitor bank, and we'll be working on a mechanical discharge. Yeah. Okay, or mechanical contact switch for the discharge. And that seems like the easiest way to proceed. And then, an emergency situation, the super cap bank will, well, in theory, be easier to charge. We'll just try to operate some LED lights and a small portable radio, and we'll see what sort of charge time and discharge time for the super cap bank is achieved. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.